Everyone thinks OpenAI is winning the AI war. Sam Altman looks unstoppable. But last month, something happened that almost nobody noticed. 2 years ago, Google looked completely lost. Bard was embracing, their stock was crashing, and the internet had already crowned OpenAI the winner. So, how did Google go from almost losing everything to forcing OpenAI into panic mode? That's the story you did not see. Back in 2022, when ChatGPT launched, it was not just a new app, it was a great threat to Google entire business. Google does not make money from AI. Google makes money from search ads. People type a question, they click a link, Google gets paid. But ChatGPT broke that. You don't click links, you just get the answer. Google get terrified because if people stop searching, Google's $150 billion year machine collapsed. So Sundar Pichai did something unprecedented. He issued a code red. Even Google's founder Larry Page and Sergey Brin's come back from retirement. This was not a product launch. This was wartime mobilization. And Google rushed out Bard to fight ChatGPT. It failed. Bard hallucinated facts on stage. Google lost over $100 billion in market value. The internet turned Bard into a joke. Everyone thought Google had fumbled the AI revolution, but that's where everyone got it wrong. OpenAI was building the best chatbot. Google was building the entire battlefield. While people were arguing GPT versus Gemini, Google was doing three far more dangerous things. First, they merged DeepMind and Google Brain into one super lab. They trained Gemini on their own chips, not NVIDIA. And third, they plugged Gemini into everything. Search, Gmail, Docs, Chrome, Android, YouTube, Photos. OpenAI has ChatGPT, but Google has 3 billion devices. So when Gemini 3 launched, it did not just beat GPT-5 on benchmarks. It started appearing everywhere. In your email, in your searches, in your phone, in your work. That's when OpenAI realized the nightmare. They could have the smartest model, but Google controlled distribution. And that's why Sam Altman declared code red. Not because Google had better AI, but because Google left no escape routes. Here's the brutal truth about AI. Everyone will have a GPT level brain, but only one company controls the data, the chips, the clouds, the apps, the operating system, and the users. That company is Google. OpenAI has to convince you to open an app. Google is already in your pocket. That's not a lead, that's a trap. So the AI war is not about who builds the smartest model. It's about who control where AI lives. And Google did not just build Gemini. They built the world it runs inside. Which means the real question is not, did Google catch up? It's this, is it already too late to escape them?